Alright, I'm kind of just doing this one on the fly, but I thought maybe I'd include some tricks with negative numbers to make it a little easier. The other two videos, if you want to see the intuition and some number lines, watch the other two videos. This one, I'm not going to put any number lines if I can help it. So I just wanted to explore this. I got this one right here, 4 minus 3, and I wanted to compare it to 3 minus 4. They look like opposites to me, so let's explore this for a second. 4 minus 3, okay, pretty easy. You guys know that that's 1. But what's 3 minus 4, right? I start off at 3, and I have to go back 4. Well, I go back 3, and I get to 0, and then I got to go 1 more away, less than 0, and that's negative 1, right? So these are really opposites of each other. So I might say, come up with a rule and say, well, 4 minus 3 is the opposite of 3 minus 4. And how do I write opposite? Just put a negative. Negative 3 minus 4. Why? Because what will it come out to? That will be, 4 minus 3 will be the negative of negative 1, which you know is just 1. Okay? So they're opposites of each other. You can do that with any number. If you had something like 28 minus 15, well, I don't know what that is, but I know that's the opposite of 15 minus 28. Well, actually, more than likely, you're going to be given something like 15 minus 28. But I'm trying to say that you'll know that that's just the opposite of 28 minus 15. And if you do this, you'll find out that 28 minus 15 is 13, and 15 minus 28 is just the opposite of 13, which is, just, of course, negative 13. Okay? So 15 minus 28 is negative 13. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing that I notice that kids have trouble with is, let's use the number 13. If I have negative 13 and I want to subtract negative 5 from it, well, the truth is, this is the same thing as 13 minus 5. Only, guess what? The negative version of that. So, okay. So 13 minus 5 is 8. So negative 13 minus negative 5 is just negative 8. Okay? These are two things that hopefully will be able to help you out. You can also look at this if you want. If you're really comfortable with the double negative is a positive thing, you can turn these into positive. Then you get negative 13 plus 5. Now, there's a property of addition. I've talked about the multiplication property, but this one is of addition, commutative, right? The commutative property of addition. And what does that say? It says that you can add or subtract in any order. And the way to look at that is, well, the positive goes with the 5, the negative goes with the 13. I'm trying to say that negative 13 plus 5 is the same thing as plus 5 minus 13. And you know what 5 minus 13 is. I just told you it was the opposite of 13 minus 5. Right? And of course, we just found out that 13 minus 5 was 8. So the opposite of 8 was negative 8. And of course, that's the same answer that we just got. Sorry for all the menus popping up.